Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, in case you are new here. I do a lot of cleaning videos on my channel, so I would love to have you consider subscribing at the end if you do like this video. But today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite cleaning products that I just pick up at my local Dollar Tree. So these are probably at any local dollar store that you may have, and these are just my top 5. So I try different cleaning products at the dollar store all the time. There's certain things that I do like, and then there's certain things that I just find I prefer getting at Target, whether it be the quality or if the price actually ends up being better elsewhere. So these are 5 things that I have consistently got at the dollar store over the past probably a couple of years actually at this point. So I'll try more things out in the future, but as of right now, these are 5 things that I've consistently been getting. So let's get into the video. You guys will see my dogs in the background. They just insisted on being in today's video, so don't mind them. But Minnie is here sleeping, and Rosie is here, but she's facing the other way. Okay, so the first thing that I always get at the dollar store are these Brillo Pads. They have name brand stuff at the dollar store. So you get 8 of these for $1. Sometimes it works out being cheaper if you can get these buy one get one at Publix, or if they're on sale at Target, or if you know, it depends. So you can end up getting this at a better deal if you do like the unit price. But just if it's easy and it's $1, I get these at the dollar store. They're steel wool. I use these to clean my pots and pans. They do a great job. I use them once or twice and then I just toss them. But name brand stuff at the dollar store, it's typically a little bit of a smaller package. I think that these come in, I forget how many come in the real package if you get them at Target or Walmart or wherever, but yeah, so this is the first thing I get. The next thing I have been getting at the dollar store is the knockoff version of the magic erasers. I swear these work just as good as the magic erasers. You can only use them like maybe once before you have to throw them out, and what I do to get more bang for my buck, you know how these come. They come in, let me pull one out and show you. Here's the new package. Okay, so like they're the size of a sponge. I'll actually just take a scissor and cut these in half, because I find that typically when I'm wanting to use one of these, I don't need a whole one. And then it disintegrates. Like that's how these work. They disintegrate as you use them. So I find that if I cut these in half and use it, that's the perfect size to get done whatever I'm, you know, trying to clean. Typically it scuffs off of my wall. That's what I love using these most for. And you get 3 of them for $1. So such a great deal. The name brand Mr. Erasers can get pretty pricey if you don't get them on sale or have a coupon. So really like these, and would definitely and will continue to repurchase these going forward. Alright, next up I get latex gloves at the dollar store. They are the same brand as the, what's it called? I'm having a mind, I'm blanking. The same brand as the knockoff Mr. Erasers. It's called the Scrub Buddies. You get a 10-pack for $1. Like these come in handy for all types of situations. For cleaning, if you're doing some type of art project and you don't want something to get on your skin, you know, whatever it may be, it's just nice having a small pack of 10, because these aren't something that I use on an everyday basis. If you use these on like an everyday basis, it probably would make more sense for you to get a big pack at Costco or something. But if you just want to have a couple of these around in a pinch, then I would suggest getting a small package at the dollar store and having them on hand. Alright, next up are these dusters. This is the knockoff probably for the Swiffer duster, and here's what it looks like. It is the same brand as the latex gloves and as the knockoff Mr. Erasers. I use these to clean my ceiling fans. It comes with 2 dusters and 1 handle, and yeah, these just get the job done. So if you were previously purchasing the Swiffer one, I do really like the Swiffer one as well, but this is just another option for you, and it's only $1 for 2 of them. And last but not least, one of these little mini dustpans. This thing comes in handy more than you would think. Anytime I spill like some crumbs, or if I'm doing some type of craft project or something, which isn't like super frequently, but like, I don't know, every now and then you just like spill something and it's like, it's too much to like get the vacuum out, even though that's pretty quick. But like, I don't know, this is just so easy to like quick clean something up. So I love having one of these around. It's tiny and it has come in handy more than I ever would have realized. I got it just because I liked the color and it kind of like matched my decor and kitchen, which is such a stupid reason to get it. But I swear this thing comes in handy all the time. All the time. Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. Those were my 5 favorite cleaning products that I have found at the Dollar Tree so far. If you have any other favorites from the Dollar Tree that I did not mention in this video, please leave them in the comments because I would love to know what you guys are using that is working for you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, subscribe if you like cleaning content, cleaning motivation, organization, vlogs, hauls, things like that. I would love to have you. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Rosie and I and Minnie are signing off and hope you have a great weekend. Bye.